In this video, we're going to walk through guest segmentation in Roller. Segmentation simply means grouping your customers based on shared characteristics or behaviors for marketing purposes. For example, you might want to target guests who have an upcoming birthday and send them a marketing offer to purchase a birthday party. Or you could target guests who have spent more at your venue with a high-value marketing campaign. Let's walk through how to set up a few examples. We'll start by creating a segment for anybody who has a birthday in the next 30 days. Select Create Segment and name it Birthdays 30 Days Away. Next, create a segment rule. In this example, we'll select the attribute Birthday. Then select Is X Days Away. In the Value field, type 30 and select Add Rule. When adding rules, you have the option to segment based on booking date, last visit date, postcode in which they are situated, date of birth, birthday, what product they purchase, whether they opted into marketing or not, lifetime spend, average spend, responses to guest experience score, some membership fields, booking status, and flags and bans. Next, let's add an AND rule that ensures the guest has opted into marketing emails. If you want to go even more granular, you could add another rule that targets guests in specific postcodes. Once you're happy with the rules, select Save. This will then segment all the guests in your guest CRM and then only connect guests that match those rules. If you're using a campaign monitor integration, you can automatically sync these segments into that tool for automation. If you're using other third-party integrations, you can export this segmentation to CSV. We recommend first syncing all the guest records in the third-party marketing software that you're utilizing, and then create your guest segmentation directly in the third-party software.